said the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners. Take a couple L's if you wanna be a winner. When I think about the beat, it's synonymous with dinner. I've been eating too long, still starving. Sowing seed like I got my own garden. And I'm talking to the king while I'm flipping through James, making sure my cardiac don't harden. Mind your manners, Midwest flow, country grammar out the.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back at you again with another banger. We are currently in Nashville. We are actually late to FastLaneD Meet. I fell asleep and didn't wake up. I'm actually about an hour late, for real. Late as hell. Oh well. I hate that I missed it, bro. Sorry. Well, I didn't really miss it. I'm gonna be there just late. Yeah, buddy. But we're on the way there, man. I'm late. I kind of feel bad for it, but at the same time, you know, it happens. So. Plus, the shift I work is I work night shift. If you didn't know, that's why I'll be sleeping late in the day. You good, man? Well. We're in a long way. Get to see my boy Cootis. Yes, sir. Let's go. Wonder how many people's actually here. How many people actually showed up? I wish I'd been there earlier, man. He gave away all kinds of stuff to his subscribers, baby. He gave away GoPro, Xbox, all kinds of stuff, man. Well, you gotta stay all the way to the right. Come on now. Come on now. If you're in a car, man, go all the way to the left a little bit if you're turning left. That way people like us can pass you. There you go. That's rough. So is that. I don't trust this phone holder at all. So if you see me keep messing with it, that's why. I really don't trust it to hold this phone. Specifically because this phone's so heavy. It is a really heavy phone. We'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Cross back over there. Pull up on FastLaneD and Cootis and them. Let's go. Finally, after about an hour of chasing. Bro, baby.
So what dam you was at?
Asleep, bruh.
I said, what dam you was at? Go get a bike.
I don't even know. Huh?
Go get a picture with all the bikes.
All right. Scoot that way. I got you. Yeah, it's a good turnout. Yeah. Guess we're gonna have to go that way, huh? Nah, I've been trying to get to the start one. I'm gonna beers? I'm gonna wait on that for later tonight. I just woke up. I still ain't even ate nothing.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me.
I'm down with that. I'm always down with that. Those are like, that's the most fun thing you can wheelie.
Come on, hit it.
People out here asking me to wheelie their bikes. Bro, those are so fun to ride. I want them.
I got a 701, man. I clearly was 2 years ago.
See, my thing is, I want them blue strap. It's like, I've heard all about it. If you get it tuned, bro, they make pretty damn good power, really.
Because I have the same model R6.
Yeah.
A little overbuilt, but it do that. The Husky's pretty close to it.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's sick. I love riding dirt bikes, man. I don't even know if I'm still recording, am I? Yep. Yeah, dude, I was asleep, man. Where I work night shift. I stayed asleep whenever he woke up this morning and left. I didn't wake up when all my alarms went off. I was pissed.
Where do you work?
I work at building like and it ain't too bad. But night shift sucks, man. It makes it almost where like you can't really have a life almost, you know what I mean? So good rear brake and everything?
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Heck yeah.
Yep. All it has is just a full exhaust, that's it.
All right. Yep. What gear do you wheelie it?
I've never wheelied it.
You've never wheelied it?
Jonah, what gear do you usually wheelie this in?
Is first useless?
There's no tax, so you don't know what fucking RPM is. I would say like 75% throttle hit out real quick in first gear. And then second gear, you almost have to like pull off the limit.
Alright, I'm gonna ride it across the bridge, get a little feel for it, and come back this way and wheel it.
Take however long you want. I don't care.
I don't think I've ever rode a Suzuki supermoto.
Yeah.
So this will be a new bike for me to ride.
You'll probably like it.
I'll guarantee you. I've never rode one while it was on actual like supermoto tires either. Yeah. So that'll be cool. Oh. Let's see here.
You already know what's going on. We leave. No, he was right away.
Are we leaving? Damn. I got one little lap right here. Let's see. Hey, how'd
Come on, hell no, don't call.
Oh, you got point on the clutch. I got it. Hey, this thing sits low. I like it. ain't bad. That ain't bad. I'll take it. Woo! Bro, that thing is hard to get up there. Bro. Whew. It likes to be low in the RPM to come up, don't it? Hella low. Hey, I appreciate you letting me ride it.
You like it?
Hell yeah. I'm gonna grab a drink of this water while I can.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.